Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we trying to do.
Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what? That
Weekly.
weekly heat, baby. That
Yes.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from May the 11th through May 17th. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So we do have I guess, somewhat of a hyped up sneaker. This is called the Stow 2.0. It's supposed to be coming out on May 17th. Unfortunately, this shoe will only be releasing early right now in New York City. So this shoe initially came out in 2018, and it was to signify the South Korea because they were having the Olympics in 1988. So that's why the origination of the shoe came about. I don't know if this shoe would do good in this year, 2025. I know this may be a grail to some sneakerheads. It's because when this shoe was originally released, it was only released in Korea. So these shoes were hard to get. There's unknown how many pairs were released, and we don't know how many they are on the market. So this Seoul Korea does feature a price point of $200. And like I said, it's supposed to be dropping in New York City. Now, as you know, that Jordan Brand is doing something different. Is using this new system called the Sneaker Link, and it's also partnering with its partners to release certain shoes, and this is will be one of them. So this shoe will be releasing in New York City, and it's coming out. It's a New York-based retailer. Senseico will be the official exclusive release partner for this early drop of the Air Jordan 3 Soul. They'll be dropping this Saturday, and they'll be coming out on Senseico Games Tournament. You can enter a chance to purchase the shoe from their Instagram. So check out their Instagram for more details. We assume that Nike sneakers will be having a future larger release in the future. But overall, this shoe features a predominantly white shoe. It does have that elephant print that we see. What makes the shoe so special, if you look at the tongue, we do see that South Korean country's flag. It's supposed to make the shoe very special. And as well, this does have, even though this is not an OG, it will feature Nike Air branding on the back. That's two of the differences that make the shoe special. One of the difference from what I've seen on the original pair compared to what's releasing out today is the original pair has darker elephant print, and this one looks a little bit more suede material. So it doesn't look like the original elephant print to me, but let me know your thoughts and comments down below. And another strange feature or nice feature is on the back. It will have some writing, and it's supposed to say Tokyo. I'm assuming that that's in South Korea language. I'm not sure what is their official language, but overall, this is a clean shoe. I will be rocking these for the color. However, I don't need these in my collection. I don't know what the hype was for these back in the day, but I won't be copping these. So, what do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I like the quality of the shoe. It's a nice, clean shoe. I will be rocking those as well. I'll be rocking those as well. Just Air Jordan brand. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, on May 17th, we do have that Air Jordan 12 Melos. Price point for those are going for $200. This shoe is just giving honor to Melo Anthony. This shoe first debuted back in 2004 when Melo Anthony was with the Denver Nuggets his rookie year. This shoe here is a nice, clean shoe. And it's clean because it can be stylish on your feet or on the court. So I'm really liking this shoe. I like how they kept that premium white leather on the upper. I like how they kept that. That quilted details on the sidewalls really make this shoe stands out. I really like how they use that university blue, right? That's just a bold contrast to really, this shoe is just really eye-catching. So I'm really liking that. I like how they kept the metallic silver, eyelets, right? Adding that elegance to this shoe. So I'm really loving this shoe. I mean, this shoe is just a clean shoe. And then I like how they Jordan Brand made sure that those that do want to wear these on the basketball court, that is fitting for there. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. Overall, this is a nice, clean shoe. for the summer. Hey, Jordan Brand hit the mark on this one. So nice work there. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well. Of course, I love that UNC colorway, and I do need these in my collection. However, I'm kind of debating whether I should get these or wait on the Jordan 4 white cements because we know those release next week. So, with the economy being bad, I can't afford to be buying every single shoe anymore. So I'm trying to pick and choose a little bit better. Most likely, if I buy these, they'll just sit in my collection. I won't wear them. So I'm more leaning toward getting the white cement 4s because I know I'll probably rock those more than I'll rock these. But I still love these colorway, and I will be rocking these. But let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Yeah. And if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.